हाँ जी स्टूडेंट्स, आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ मैट्रिसेस। आज के इस लेक्चर में हम डिफाइन करेंगे कि हम दो मैट्रिसेस को मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करेंगे, राइट। सो इफ यू हैव टू मैट्रिसेस ए विच इज इक्वल टू ए आई जे and it is m cross in matrix, and the other matrix is bij, ijth entry is bij, it is n cross p. So first of all, note that A into B, multiplication of A and B is defined if and only if number of columns in A is same as number of rows in B. सबसे पहले हम A और B को मल्टीप्लाई ही तब कर सकते हैं A into B is defined only when number of columns in A के जो columns हैं that is n, that should be same as number of rows in B. ठीक है, यहाँ पे number of rows B में कितनी है n, so this is same, right? So we can define A into B, right? How it is defined? A into B is another matrix Cij, ijth entry is Cij. It will be M cross P matrix. इसका ऑर्डर होगा M cross P. How the ijth entry is given? Cij is given by multiplying ith row of A and jth column of B. ठीक है, इसकी जो ijth एंट्री बनेगी A इंटू पी की, हाउ इट इज डिफाइंड? मल्टीप्लाई ith रो ऑफ A विद jth कॉलम ऑफ B, देन यू विल कैन फाइंड Cij, ijth एंट्री ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स A इंटू B. ठीक है, और इसका जो साइज होगा न्यू मैट्रिक्स का दैट विल बी M क्रॉस P, राइट। हम एक क्वेश्चन करते हैं, उससे हमें ये क्लियर हो जाएगा कि हाउ इट इज डिफाइंड। एग्जाम्पल, if you have a matrix A, it is equal to 1 2 3 0 2 1 1 2 5. In the matrix B is equal to 1 0 0 1 2 1. Then you have to find A into B. A into B matrix कैसे आएगी? हाँ जी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट विल बी द ऑर्डर ऑफ दिस मैट्रिक्स ए बी? ठीक है, सपोज इट इज द मैट्रिक्स सी आई जे। हाँ जी, इसका ऑर्डर है 3 क्रॉस 3, इसका ऑर्डर है 3 क्रॉस 2। ठीक है, so this 3 is same as this 3, therefore we can define A into B, we can find A into B. और इसका जो A into B का ऑर्डर होगा वो होगा 3 क्रॉस 2। ठीक है, so it will be a matrix 3 क्रॉस 2. इसमें 3 रोज होंगी, 2 कॉलम्स होंगी, तो ये कैसे दिखेगी? 3 रोज 2 कॉलम्स, C11, C12, C21, C22, C31, C32. पहले तो ये इस तरह की दिखेगी बिकॉज इट विल बी हैविंग 3 rows and 2 columns, right? Now how will be given C11? C11 will be given by multiplying ith, हाँ जी, Cij is given by multiplying ith row of A and jth column of B. Therefore C11 will be given by multiplying first row of A and first column of B. ठीक है, what is first row of A? It is 1 2 3. What is first column of B? It is 1 0 2. ठीक है, how will you multiply this? 1 into 1 plus 2 into 0 plus 3 into 2. ठीक है, इस तरह से हमने एक रो और एक कॉलम को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. व्हाट इज दिस इक्वल टू? 1 प्लस 0 प्लस 6, दैट इज इक्वल टू 7. सो C11 इज इक्वल टू 7. सेम वे C12, it is given by multiplying first row of A and second column of B. First row of A and second column of B. ठीक है, so how will you multiply this? 1 into 0 0, 2 into 1 2, 3 into 1 3, so it is 5. ठीक है, same way you will find C22. C22 is given by C21. C21 is given by multiplying second row of A. Second row of A क्या है? 0 2 1 and first column of B 1 0 2. So what is this equal to? 0 into 1 plus 2 into 0 plus 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. ठीक है, so same way you will find the value of C22. C22 is given by multiplying second row of A and second column of B. So what is this equal to? 0 into 0 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1, that is equal to 3. So C31, how it is given by multiplying third row of A and first column of B, that is equal to 1 into 1 plus 2 into 0 plus 5 into 2, and it is nothing but 11. C32, it is given by multiplying third row of A and second column of B. So what is this? 0 plus 2 plus 5, that is equal to 7. Okay, so what is the matrix A into B? It is equal to what? C11. C11 कितना है आपके पास? 7. C12 5. C21 2. C22 3. C31 11. C32 7. ठीक है, so this is the matrix A into B, right? Okay, next is there are some properties of matrix multiplication. Matrix, some properties of matrix multiplication. First property is matrix multiplication is associative. That is, अगर आपके पास तीन matrices हैं A into B, A B C, then that is same as A into B C same as A into B into C. ठीक है, तो A B C है, ब्रैकेट आप कहीं भी लगा सकते हैं, right? Next is distributive law. It says A into B plus C, that is same as A into B plus A into C. थर्ड है कि A into B need not be same as B into A. ठीक है, matrix multiplication need not be commutative. As you can see from this example, if you take A to be 1 0 0 1 and B to be 0 1 1 0, you will see A into B कुछ और बनेगा, B into A कुछ और बनेगा. So matrix multiplication is not commutative. Is it clear? Okay. Next, there are some example in which you have to find the multiplication of the given matrices. Okay, so in this way, I have example number 1. First of all, it says determine whether A into B is defined. And if it is defined, what will be the order? ठीक है, तो मैंने आपको बताया है A into B कब डिफाइंड होता है, when number of rows of A is same as number of columns of B. ठीक है, so A का ऑर्डर है, what is the order of A? It is 2 cross 2. What is order of B? It is 2 cross 3. ठीक है, so number of columns of A is same as number of rows of B, so they are equal, therefore A into B is defined in this case. And what will be the order of AB? Order of AB will be 2 cross 3. ठीक है, next you have A is of order 3 cross 2, B is of order 2 cross 3. Whether A into B is defined? Yes, in this case also it is defined because number of columns of A is same as number of rows of B. These two are same. ठीक है, and what will be the order? It will be 3 cross 3. ठीक है, next is एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2. इसका हम फोर्थ पार्ट करते हैं. फोर्थ पार्ट क्या है? 1 minus 2 3, 7 minus 1 5, 0 2 4, minus 7 5 0, minus 2 minus 5 7. Compute the following. ठीक है, so it is mixture of two operations. First we are multiplying these two matrices और फिर resulting matrix से हम ये वाली matrix subtract करेंगे. ठीक है, so what is this matrix? First row first column. ठीक है, तो क्या आएगा? 1 into 7 plus minus 2 into 0 plus 3 into minus 7. ठीक है, फर्स्ट रो सेकेंड कॉलम 1 into minus 1 plus minus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 5. और ये वाली लास्ट एंट्री दिस रो इंटू दिस कॉलम 1 into 5 plus minus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 0. ठीक है, minus this matrix 2 minus 5 7. Is it clear? Now what is this equal to? 7 plus 0 plus minus 21 minus 1 minus 4 plus 15 5 minus 8 plus 0 minus 2 minus 5 7. ठीक है, तो ये बन जाएगा आपका minus 14 15 minus 9 it is 6 minus 3 माइनस करनी है 2 minus 5 7. ठीक है, now how will you subtract the two matrices? Corresponding entries will be subtracted. Minus 14 minus 2 6 minus minus 5 minus 3 minus 7. So what will be this equal to? Minus 16 11 and minus 10. Is it clear? Next is example number 4. It says verify that a into b plus c it is same as a into b plus a into c, where a is the matrix 1 2, b is the matrix 1 2 3 0 4 5 and c is the matrix 1 0 1 2 3 0. Clear? These three are the matrices and we are to verify this property. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले लेफ्ट साइड क्या है? a into b plus c. ठीक है, so first of all what is b plus c? b plus c is 1 plus 1 2 plus 0 3 plus 1 0 plus 2 4 plus 3 5 plus 0. So what is this equal to? 2 2 4 2 7 5. ठीक है, so a into b plus c it will be equal to 1 2 2 2 2 7 4 5, right? So what is this equal to? 1 sorry hanji, this into this 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2, this into this 1 into 2 plus 2 into 7, this into this 1 into 4 plus 2 into 5, right? So what is this? 2 plus 4 2 plus 14 4 plus 10. Now what is this equal to? This is equal to 6 16 40. Clear? So this is the left hand side. Now what is right hand side? हाँ जी, राइट साइड में हमने क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? a into b plus a into c. What is a into b? a into b क्या है? 1 2 1 0 2 4 3 5. That is equal to 1 into 1 plus 2 into 0. This row into this column 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4. This row this column 1 into 3 plus 2 into 5. Right? Now what is this? 1 2 plus 4 8 10 3 plus 10 13. This is a into b. What is a into c? A into c is 1 2. C is 1 0 1 2 3 0. Now what is this equal to? 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2, 1 into 0 plus 2 into 3, 1 into 1 plus 2 into 0. Clear? So what is this equal to? 1 plus 4, 0 plus 6, 1 plus 0. So what is this? 5 6 1. Clear? Now you have to add the two. A into b plus a into c. It is 1 10 13 5 6 1. So if you add the two, 1 plus 5 10 plus 6 13 plus 1. Clear? So what is this equal to? 6 16 40. ठीक है, तो यू कैन सी ये जो लेफ्ट साइड पे हमारे पास मैट्रिक्स बनी ये भी यही वाली है. So the two are same. A into b plus c is same as A into B plus A into C. Clear? Next is example number 8. It says find the value of x such that 1x1 into 132 251 1532 into 1 2x that is equal to the zero matrix. क्लियर? हाँ जी, सबसे पहले हम इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये क्या बन जाएगा 1 into 1 1 x into 2 2x 1 into 15 15. Clear? This into this 1 into 3 3 x into 5 5x 3 into 1 3. Then this into this 2 plus x plus 2 into 1 2x that is equal to the zero matrix. Clear? So what is this equal to? 16 plus 2x 6 plus 5x 4 plus x times 1 2x that is equal to the zero matrix. Clear? Now what is this equal to? 16 plus 2x into 1 plus 6 plus 5x into 2 plus 4 plus x into x that is equal to 0. ठीक है, इसको जब आप सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये बन जाएगी आपकी एक क्वाड्रेटिक इन एक्स एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 16x प्लस 28 दैट इज इक्वल टू 0. यहाँ से आपके पास इस क्वाड्रेटिक को सॉल्व करने के बाद you will get two values of x. One will be -2 and another will be -40. Okay, so this way you have to find matrix multiplication. Clear? It is very very important. ठीक है, बस एक बार अगर आपको समझ आ जाए कि आपने कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करना है then you can do the questions very easily. Is it clear? Thank you.